class, you will learn about different forms of energy. So, what is energy? What is energy? Can you tell me what is energy? Energy is nothing but the ability to do work is called energy. Without energy, silence. Without energy, can you do any work? No, right? So, whatever you do, you need some energy. And in energy, you have two types, potential and kinetic. What are the two types? What are the two types of energy? Potential and kinetic. Potential energy is the energy stored due to the position. For example, right now I am standing. Because of my position, it means that I have potential energy. And kinetic energy is the energy of motion. Motion means movement. So now I am walking. It means that I have kinetic. If I walk, it means that I have movement in my body, which means I have kinetic. And if I stand, which energy do I have? If I stand, what energy do I have? Is it potential or kinetic? Potential. Which energy do you have right now? Potential. So how many types of energies are there? Two types. What are they? Potential and kinetic. What is potential? Energy due to the position. And what is kinetic? Energy of movement. Can you give me examples of potential? Examples of potential energy. Examples of potential energy. Can you give me example? Silence. Can you give me examples of potential energy? So here are few examples. The first one is, this is a car which is parked on the top of the hill. It is not moving, so it has potential. And this is, what do you call this? What is this? Dam. What is this? Dam. So the water stored behind the dam, it is potential. And when the gates open and the water starts flowing, then potential energy is changed to kinetic. What is this? Slider. Even the girl sitting on the top of the slider, she has potential. So here, the book has potential energy. So did you understand what is potential? And here are examples of kinetic energy. What is this? What do you call this? What do you call this? Skydiving. So here the person is in motion. So he has some movement, so he has kinetic. What is this? Car. Is the car in, did it stop or is it moving? Moving. So it has kinetic. What is this? Aeroplane. So which energy does it have? Which type of energy does it have? Kinetic. So this is the definition of potential and kinetic. Even here you can see a girl is holding a ball. It has potential, and when she throws the ball starts moving. So the potential energy is converting into kinetic. Understood? And in potential energy, silence. In potential energy, there is one more type, that is gravitational potential energy. It is also written as GPE. Gravitational. What is GPE? Gravitational potential energy. And this type of energy is the energy stored based on the height and mass of the object. Mass means weight. What is mass? Weight of the object. So GPE, it depends on height of the object and weight of the object. So this is called, are you understanding? Are you understanding what I am teaching? So what is GPE? Gravitational. What is GPE? It is the energy stored based on the height and weight of the object. Mass is nothing but weight. So from this diagram, so here there are 3 books, book A, book B and book C. So among these 3 books, which has more GPE? Which book has more GPE? Book C? B. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason? Have more? What is that? Yes. So based on the book B, it is more height when compared to book C, and book B has more weight when compared to book A. That is why book B has more GPE. And to calculate GPE, the formula is GPE is equals to weight into g into height. So here g is acceleration due to gravity. And the value of g is what is g? What is g here? So what is g here? Acceleration due to gravity. And the value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. This is constant for all the problems. The value is same. It won't change. So do you have a question here? What is the potential energy of a 2 kg rock sitting at the top of a 10 meter high cliff? Cliff is nothing but mountain. So here how much is the weight? What is the weight of the rock? 2. And what is the value of g? Very good. And what is the height? So 196 joules. Joule or joule? Joule? Okay. So this is how you calculate GPE. Understood? So you have one more question. What is the gravitational potential energy of a 3 kg ball that is 1 meter above the floor? Can you tell me the answer? What is the answer? See? Can you come here and solve? Come. Come here. You have to come. Very good. Claps. So that is how you calculate GPE. And next is, where is the duster? And next, so even to calculate kinetic energy, you have a formula that is 1 by 2 into mass. Weight into speed square. This is the formula which is used to calculate kinetic energy. So here, what is the kinetic energy of a 1000 kg car traveling at 5 meter per second? So what is the weight of the car? What is the weight of the car? 1000. And how much is the speed? 5. What is 5 square value? 20? So the answer is 12,500 joules. So did you understand? Yes? You have one more question. A car of mass 1200 kg, silence. Can you stop talking? Did you understand the question? Yes? What is the answer? What is the answer? So now did you understand how to calculate GPE and KE? Understood? Yes, good. So what is potential energy? What is potential energy? What is potential energy? What is potential energy? Position. What is kinetic? Good, very good. And in energies, you have many types. Among them, these are few. Mechanical energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, elastic energy. So these are few types of energies. Do you know what are these? No? So first is mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is also whenever the object starts moving, it means that it has mechanical energy. For example, what is this? Bowling. So when you throw the ball moves. It means that it has mechanical. What is this? What is this? So rocket. So when it goes up, it means that it has movement, so it has mechanical. And next is electrical energy. Electrical energy is caused by moving of electrons, whichever object it gives electricity, it means that it has this type of energy. What do you call this? Hmm? What do you call this? Lighting? Thunder. It is called thunder. So it is called thunder, and even from thunder you get electricity. What is this? Socket. Even from socket. It- what do you call this? What is the name of this fish? Huh? Eel? Yes, it is electric eel. Electric eel, even this fish, it gives electricity. So these are few examples of electric energy. Can you give more examples? More examples of electric energy? Light. Very good. More examples of electric energy. Light, okay. Next. Fan, okay. Next. AC? Good. So these are few examples of electric energy. And next is chemical energy. This type of energy, it comes whenever there is some chemical reaction. Whatever food we take inside, it has chemical energy. What is this? Charcoal. This? Battery. What is this? Candy. So whatever food you take, it has chemical energy. And next is nuclear energy. Do you know atom structure? Do you know the atom structure? No? So inside an atom, it has nucleus. Inside the atom, it has nucleus, and whatever energy it has this. Do you know the structure of atom? Structure of atom. Yes. And it also has nucleus. Inside the atom, it has nucleus. Nuclear energy, it comes from the nucleus of atom. This nuclear energy is the energy stored inside the nucleus. It is called nuclear energy. And few examples of nuclear energy are sun, stars. You know star? Stars are also example of nuclear energy. Do you know what is this? Huh? Power plant. Nuclear power plant. You know? Yes? So even in this you use nuclear energy. And next is heat energy. Heat energy is also called thermal energy. What is the other name of heat energy? Everyone, what is the other name of heat energy? Thermal energy. Can you give examples of heat energy? What? Fire. Yeah, fire. Yeah. More examples. Bomb. Yes. Next. So whatever object it gives out heat, it means that it has heat energy. And next is light energy. What is the first one? This one. Stars. This. What do you call this? What do you call this? Light bulb. This. So, yeah, whichever gives light, it is considered as light energy. And next is sound energy. So whenever a object vibrates, it produces some sound. which means that it has sound energy. Right now, which energy you are making? Yes. And next is elastic energy. So when you stretch anything and it comes back to its original position, it means that it has elasticity. Yeah. What do you call this? What is this? Sponge. What is the first one? Huh? So all these are examples of elastic energy. So this is silence. This is very important. Listen carefully. This is called law of conservation of energy. What is it? Repeat with me. Law of conservation of energy. This statement, it states that energy, it cannot be created or destroyed. Energy, whatever energy, you cannot create it or you cannot destroy it. Only thing is, it can be changed from one form to another form. Energy, it cannot be created or it cannot be destroyed. Only it can change from one form to another form of energy. This is called law of conservation of energy. So here are few examples. What is this? Apple, it has chemical energy. So whenever you eat apple, you get energy to ride the bicycle. So here the chemical energy is changing into mechanical energy. And what is this? So whenever you plug it, the light comes. So here the electric energy is changing into light energy. What is this? Sunlight. So sunlight, what is this? Photosynthesis. You know about photosynthesis? You know about this? Silence. You know about photosynthesis? No? Turn this side. Turn. Do you know what is photosynthesis? No? Green plants, they prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. Can you translate? Can you translate photosynthesis into Thai? Huh? So did you understand what is photosynthesis now? No? What is this? Toaster. So here electric energy is changing into heat energy. So did you understand how energy can be changed from one form to another form? Very good. So this is the flow chart. Listen, last one. So law of conservation of energy, it states that energy cannot be it states that energy cannot be created nor destroyed, but it changes from one form to another form. And energy, it has two types, potential energy and kinetic energy. What is potential? Which is stored due to the position of the body. What is kinetic? Energy because of the movement. And even energies, there are various types: mechanical, thermal, electric, heat. So these are various types of energies. Understood? Okay. So you have a small question here. When you plug an electric fan to a power outlet, electric energy is transformed into which type of energy? Answer this question. What is the answer? Silence. So here in the electric fan, electric energy is changing into which type of energy? Huh? Which type of energy? Answer the question. You should answer, do not help. Answer. So what is the answer? What is the answer? The answer is mechanical energy. Very good. So you have a small worksheet. So on 6th January, 6th, where is the you have to submit me 6 examples of energy changing. Can you see here? You have to give me 6 examples and submit me on 6th January. Understood? How many examples? How many examples? Only 6. 6 are enough. Okay? So this is how you have to give me the picture and you have to explain which energy is changing into which energy. Any questions? You have 4 days holidays, right? How many days you have holidays? 4? Okay, 9 examples. Okay? 6? Okay, 6. Who is roll number 8? Silence, silence, silence. Who is roll number 8? Number 8. Who is it? Okay. Great claps to him. He got 14 and off. Who is number 34? 3, 4, 34. Claps. That's it. If you have any question, silence. One. If you have any questions in the correction, you can message me in line. Okay? Okay, thank you.